Hi everyone! I'm happy to announce my brand new cookbook, From Japan with Flavor Vegetarian.
Featuring over 80 easy vegetarian dishes for everyday cooking. The spiral binding allows this book to lay flat on the counter while you cook. Recipes are always on one spread, so you won't have to jump between pages. This book also includes modern and traditional Japanese recipes, detailed step-by-step instructions with photos, full color photo of the finished dish, helpful tips and recipe variations, commonly used ingredients and equipment guides.
Go to books.chefjcooks.com to grab your copy today.